Hey, subby friends, welcome back. Thank you so much for dropping in. If this is your first time visiting, welcome. If you haven't already done so, please hit the subscribe button. I would greatly appreciate it. And thank you so much for all the support while I'm growing this channel. Tonight, we are going to be personalizing these super cute cloth bunny Easter baskets from the Dollar Tree. We're going to use this glitter vinyl. Now remember, it is shiny side down because it's heat transfer, and make sure you mirror your image. I'm going to be using the cursive font on Design Space, and we are going to personalize these bunny Easter baskets and put the name on the ear. Super, super cute. Now, I think when I do this for my grandson, I'm going to probably put the name on the face of the basket and put something else on the bunny's ears. So many ways you can personalize these. I'm going to be doing several of these baskets though, because these are for people that I work with that I just want to give some fun gifts to. So I have quite a few. So on these ones, I'm just going to do the ear. Anyways, I hope you enjoy them. So I just went in and I printed the names that I want to use. And I'm just going to weed it. So weeding is just getting rid of that excess material that you don't need. I love weeding the heat transfer vinyl like this. Oh, it's so therapeutic. It weeds so easily. It just feels so good to just pull it off. I totally love it. Totally love it. All right. I'll just put that down there for now. And now we'll go in and just take out all of our negative pieces. So the pieces that we don't need. So I really like to make little gifts for my leadership team underneath me, and I appreciate them so much. They work so hard, and I really like giving them little thank yous. So like holidays and stuff, I like to, kind of start early because things get so busy and it can be really, really easy to not get things done if I wait too long. So I like to kind of get things started. So I'm going to make them all Easter baskets. I've been just collecting, lots of fun stuff to put in their Easter baskets. And I'm going to make Easter baskets. And then for some, I'm going to make little Easter bags. So we'll just get all this weeded. I'm almost done. So how is everybody doing? I know that, you know, it's really hard right now. There's lots of things being canceled and people are having to stay in their homes. I know for us as a healthcare organization, we've worked really hard to be prepared. And, you know, we will certainly do everything that we can to take care of our patients and take care of the public. The biggest thing, you know, really, if you're not symptomatic or if your symptoms are minor that don't need emergency care, the best thing that you can do is stay home. And, you know, as far as testing, I know it's hard because sometimes you just really want to know. However, because of the amount of tests available, it's really hard to just test everybody because we're very limited on how many tests are available in the United States. So a lot of it we're having to, you know, we send off to the CDC's lab or the Department of Health's lab. And some of it is, you know, if you're not super symptomatic, some people aren't even getting tested. They're just saying, you know, stay home and, you know, unless you have really challenging symptoms that require emergent care. That's a whole different story. You know, everybody's area is a little bit different. I know. It'll, you know, be nice when we see how this is going to play out. And, you know, we just have to take care of each other. Take care of your neighbors. And, you know, the other thing to keep in mind as, you know, everybody has kind of gone and bought all the toilet paper and bought all the food, you know, keep in mind that there are a lot of people in the world that, and probably in your neighborhoods, in my neighborhoods, people that we work with that live paycheck to paycheck, and having the money to go out and buy, you know, a month's worth of supplies at one time is not feasible for everybody. So now that pretty much everything is gone, then, you know, when they get paid and stuff, like on Friday or, you know, this past Friday, you know, some people, there's not stuff available for them. So just, you know, make sure that you're taking care of your neighbor and your friends and that everybody's okay. All right, so I love these baskets. So these baskets, they are just the sweetest. I got these at Dollar Tree. And how adorable are these? You see this? They're so cute. Let me put this up just a bit. They're so absolutely adorable. And so what I thought would be cute on these would be a name on the ear. So that is what I'm going to do. And remember to just put straight pressure. I have this habit, you know, I used to have a bad habit of doing like this. I'm much better about it now. But I certainly messed up some projects before I got better. So if you guys are having to stay inside, what are you doing to pass your time? Oh, and by the way, I'm happy I was able to, even though I've been so busy, I did get out and get the tumblers mailed out for everybody. So everyone that got a tumbler, they're on their way. And then I'll start doing that. I hope you guys enjoy them. And I'll be doing that with, you know, all of my practice tumblers. So, all right. So how cute is that? So I just put her name on there. So with this being ironed, you know, I notice anytime I iron stuff like this, it fades a little, but it usually comes back. And even if it stays faded, it's fine. But isn't that cute, her name on there? So I was thinking, you know, I'm doing a bunch of these, so I'm not going to do as much. But if I, like the ones that I do for my daughter and my son-in-law and my grandson, like I think I might put other stuff. Like I might put, you know, something on the ears, and then I'll probably put the name across here. And, you know, maybe something on here. Like I'm going to totally decorate these up. So, but for these ones that I have a lot of them to do, I'm just going to put it on the ear. But that's super cute. And I'll do one of the other colors and show you that. Then I'll put it on fast mode and finish these up. So I have half of them printed. I've got actually double of what I have printed that I need to do. But it's a good start. And these little bags are also super adorable. Oh, so cute. So you can see that is just so adorable. I love it. And then for my administration team, my EA and the people that work and on our administration team, I thought that I would fill these little bags with some goodies. And how cute are these? So I'll do the same thing. I'll put their name on the ear. Super cute, right? All right, so I'm going to just fast mode and finish these up, okay? All right, so these are all done. So you can see I did the name in all the ears. Super fun, super cute. So these guys will be ready to go. This poor guy here, maybe, I'm thinking maybe I can sew him back on. I got him stuck under my chair. Poor guy. All right, well, listen, if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you haven't already done so, please hit the subscribe button. I hope that it gave you a little bit of inspiration. And everybody, stay safe, stay happy, and wash your hands. Good luck. See you later. Bye.